What's up YouTube, my name's Will, and in today's video, as you can see, my exhaust is hanging down a little bit. This has kind of been happening slowly after we installed the Darkside exhaust, so I think I just need to go in and fix it. I'm going to, I think what it is, if I show you down here, I think what it is that second join down there behind that dust cover just isn't tight enough. So if I tighten that up, it should stay. But what I'm also going to do is I have some metal zip ties I'm after buying, and these holes here in the chassis, I'm just going to zip tie this up as well with metal zip ties, if I can find a way of doing that, just to kind of stop it from coming down, and we should be all good. So let's see. Okay, so by the looks of this, these are those stupid clips. Right, hang on. Can we get it? Come on. Brute force and ignorance win again. So yeah, okay, where's the join here? There's the join. Okay, so if I tighten up those clamps, we might have a shot. I'd say that's a 10mm or an 8mm. I'd say they're 10mm, so I'm going to get a deep 10mm socket and do up those nuts there. Don't know if you guys can see this, but just in case you have the same problem that I do, those two nuts there, I'm going to try and do those up, and we'll see if I can get it to stay. If not, then we're going to resort to the zip ties. Right lads, okay, let's see, can I get my arm in here? Yeah, and it is a 10mm. Happy fucking days. I don't know how these have worked themselves loose, maybe just vibration, or I don't know. Very strange. Oh, I have a feeling we are going to need zip ties, folks. It's also, this hanger is face loose as well. In fairness, there is not a whole lot I can do about the hanger. It is this one here, I think, lads. It's still loose. Okay, so I think I've deduced that back one there, that back screw is where we need to tighten up, because this is essentially just like, I don't know how to explain this. That back screw there is where it's turning inside itself, that Jubilee clip. So if I can get that tightened up, then we shouldn't have any more swivel. Okay. I don't know how much tighter this is going to go, to be honest, lads. Ah! Fuck! Well, fuck. There goes that dream. Where'd the fucking bolt go? Oh, that's what I didn't want to happen. Oh, yep. Sheared clean off. Sheared clean off, boys. Sheared clean off. Oh, okay, new Jubilee clip needed there. For sure. Yep. Fuck. Okay. Plan B, zip ties. Okay, so always have a backup plan. Metal zip ties. Let's see what we can do with one of these. I will obviously go back and replace that Jubilee clip at some stage, but I don't have a new one on me right now to do it. So let's see what we can do here. If I put this through the chassis. Okay, that could work. Yeah, that could work, right. So I actually have a tool from Amazon to do this exact job, because I fucking knew that Jubilee clip was gonna break. I'm just gonna fucking put this through a small bit itself. Okay, so this, not that you can really see it too well, this is a zip tie tensioning tool, a metal zip tie tensioning tool. So I'm going to use that just to try and pull this through a bit. Yeah, so we put it in that way. Ugh. Get her down. And we just keep squeezing. I can see all the fucking scrape marks now from where this has been hitting the ground. Yep, we just keep squeezing, moving her up. Right. Moving her up, moving her up. That's more than likely not going to go anywhere now. So then we're going to use this little lever on the end here, I hope, to cut it off, cut off the excess, and I'll show you. Hold on. Now that is what we have. I don't know if, I'd say one will probably be enough. That's not going anywhere. I swear to God, I will go back under there and fix that Jubilee clip, because that's just, I need to do that. But just to get this car through the NCT, I'm hoping this will be enough. There we go, not hanging down anymore. You can't see it. Hopefully that'll get it through the NCT, and also hopefully it'll stop people from flagging me down at traffic lights to tell me that my exhaust is on the floor. Some crack, boys.